is on area of circles. The area, the space that it takes up. If you're looking at a tabletop, if it's a round table, this is the amount that would cover it. So the area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So that means you take the radius, you have to be looking at the radius, and you multiply it by itself, so squared, and multiply it by pi, which we'll use 3 for. So, and we'll use 3 for pi. So in this example, we would write the formula A equals pi r squared. So A equals 3 for pi times 6 times 6, not 6 times 2. It's going to be 6 times 6. So A equals, that's 36 times 3, and I have to come over here, and this involves a lot of multiplication, is 108, and it's inches, and it's squared because it's area. We're looking at the area. So write the formula, substitute in the numbers, and write the answer. And so this one, now our formula is area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3. Now, what's wrong with this picture? We don't have r. So we have to say, what is half of this diameter? And half the diameter is 5. So 5 times 5, that's r squared, 5 times 5. So area equals 25 times 3, so 75, and it's centimeters squared. So think about what is the formula, what numbers do I need to have, and then do the multiplication and write the answers with the units. Now this one, it says find the area of each circle in terms of pi. So that's easy. So you're not going to have to multiply out. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi, just leave that as pi. And the radius is half of this diameter, so that's 6 times 6, 6 twice. And so area equals 36 pi. And we don't even have to multiply that out. We're just saying it in terms of pi. Now this one is easy because it already gives us the radius. So area equals pi r squared. So area equals pi times 3 times 3. That's the radius twice. And so area equals 9 pi, and it's yards squared, and this was meters squared. So that's your answer. That's in terms of pi. So pi is included. So here you have your radius, and here you have your diameter. So find these in terms of pi. So you don't have to multiply it all out. You don't have to do that times 3. Just leave the pi. So do these and then come back and we'll check your work. So once again, what I have done is I've written the formula, I've found the radius because that's what it asks for, and then I write the answer in terms of pi. And I write it and include pi and include my units squared. So the first one, 10 millimeters radius, would be 100 pi millimeters squared. And a radius, a diameter of 18 would be a radius of 9, so it would be pi times 9 times 9. And that would be 81 pi feet squared. It's important whenever you're looking at word problems that you draw the picture. And it says an apple pie has a diameter of 14 inches. So I'm going to draw my apple pie, and I'm going to say all the way across is 14 inches. What is the area? Use 3 for pi. So I want to find area, so I look on my formula sheet, and the area is A equals pi r squared. And so area equals pi times, now that's 14, that's the diameter, so I need half that. So 7, and then 7 again. And so area equals 49 pi, and I need to go ahead and work it out because it says to use 3 for pi. So 49 times 3 is 147. So area equals 147, and it's inches squared. So make sure and draw the picture. Make sure that you're finding the radius, not the diameter, and that you're doing it twice and then multiplying it out. A telescope lens has a 2-meter radius. Okay, so I've got this is my picture, 2 meters. What is the area? Area equals pi r squared. So area equals pi times 2 times 2, because that's the radius. So area equals 3 times 4. So area equals 12 meters squared. So here's the homework check, and this one you're going to have to work backwards. You're going to have to put in what you know and figure it out. And this one is straightforward, but it gives you the diameter and you want to find the radius and then find the area.